Your Sunshine Gray Line bait tank has finally arrived, and you've opened it up, and I know you're excited to go fishing, as I always am. But here's what you want to do. You're going to take this out of your pickup tube out of the box, and make sure that's all assembled into it. And what we're going to do, we're going to take it and grab the 1/4 inch air line and then hook it up to the nipple on the bottom of the base of your aeration system. Put it in there, put the little 2 prongs underneath the base like this. Plug it in nice and tight. Push it into your socket. Move your socket in forward. Rotate it to where the pump is pointing towards the back of the tank. What we're trying to do by pointing to the back of the tank, we're trying to cause an eddy that'll form out here in where you're going to scoop out the bait, and your bait can be nice and docile. Now I'm going to show you, if you excuse me while I turn the tank, I'm going to turn the tank over here and show you how to adjust the air valve. You take to turn the adjusted valve, you turn this to the right until it snugs up, and when it finally snugs up, you want to go back to the left 2 full revolutions. That's 1, and that's 2. But at 99% of the time, that'll work just perfect. Now we're ready to clean out our charcoal and put our filter material in. You take the charcoal out of the plastic bag, rinse it in a bucket or underneath the faucet, rinse it out really good, slosh it around, get the extra black out of it. You see some black dripping out of that now. We're going to put it into our filter compartment. We're going to mash down where we can. We're going to mash down all the charcoal into the hole into the filter box. Next, we're going to pick up our piece of foam, put it in on top. We've had ask our wife very nicely to cut up, or our girlfriend to cut up our pieces of blue and white filter material that we've sent you, to cut it up into squares that are about the same size as the black foam. And to make it easier for you to put it in, if you just wet this blue and white material, rinse the water out of it real good, then you can just put it on top of your blue and white foam, and everything is ready to go. It makes it easy and everything else. Now, while we're at it, when this gets loaded with scales, and it will as the water flows over the dam, gets a little scale. Just take 1 corner of it, roll it up like you kind of would like a Tootsie Roll, pick it up, put it in your bucket ready to rinse out for next time whenever you're ready to go fishing. And then before you take out layer number 2, make sure you rinse this out of the water again to get all the scales out of it. And when you take this out, drop this one right back in. You're good to go and go fishing. Now go get the bait, put your chemicals in it and your salt in it, and let's catch some fish.